Our organization specifically serves Minnehaha, Lincoln, and Turner counties in South Dakota. Last year, Habitat was able to help more than 160 people in our community, and that's through new construction and through our neighborhood revitalization program. We have also made a big push these last couple years to also provide affordable home repairs, whether it be, weatherization, home painting. There's just so many different types of projects that are really expensive to get done now that Habitat can come in and do for a fraction of the cost. We need volunteers, which are the lifeblood of our organization. We worked with more than 1,000 people last year to help build homes, help work in the restore, and to also help provide those home repairs. I think there are very few programs that can really make a generational difference. When you improve somebody's housing situation, you're not just helping the person buying the home or the person moving into the home, you're helping out their children. Habitat brings people to build homes, community, and hope.